Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Shay with Pure Shade, and this week I'm gonna cook a vegan egg using just egg. And this will be the ingredients I will be using. I'll be making avocado toast, scrambled egg with cheese, and regular scrambled eggs. So first I'm gonna prep the avocado for the avocado toast. I'm gonna squeeze half of an avocado into a bowl and squeeze a little bit of lime juice with salt. And then you're just gonna dice up the avocado into a mashed consistency, and then you'll place it aside. And once you toast the Ezekiel bread, you'll put this on top. So to prep the vegan egg, I'm gonna pour about half a cup into this particular container. This one will not use the black salt, so I will taste it at its normal, natural state. As for the rest of it, I'm gonna add about 1/4 teaspoon of the black salt into the just egg and give it a nice shake. Black salt is just going to help make it taste more like an egg. It gives it like a sulfur kind of taste. You can add this to salads or whatever you'd like to add an egg taste. To prep the stove, you're gonna turn each side to about a medium-high heat and then go ahead and add the vegan butter. Of course, allow the butter to melt. The butter has melted down pretty nicely, so we're gonna go ahead and add the vegan egg. For the vegan egg without the black salt, you're just gonna add some regular pepper and salt. As for the rest that does contain black salt, you're gonna pour some into the pot and you're gonna add some vegan cheese and a little bit of salt and pepper. And of course, I use the Simple Truth vegan cheese. This is one of my favorites that I've actually tried. It only has about 70 calories. As it begins to cook, the texture definitely resembles an egg of how it cooks. I mean, I had to keep stirring it just to make sure it didn't stick, but the consistency of how an egg cooks looks very, very similar. I had to keep switching between the stir just to make sure neither side would stick. And as well, this one here also resembles like a normal egg. Here's a close-up so you can see how well it does resemble an egg. And of course, continue to stir so it does not stick. And as you can see here, it does resemble a scrambled egg with cheese. So both of these are done. So we're gonna set these aside and begin the other egg that's gonna go on top of the avocado toast. So of course the stove is gonna be on a medium-high heat. You're gonna add the vegan butter and allow it to melt down. And add a little bit of the vegan egg, just a little bit, enough to cover the avocado toast. I started to shape the egg into a smaller circular form so it wouldn't overlap the avocado toast. And I just continue to kind of circle it down a little bit smaller and smaller as it continues to cook. And now it's time to flip. I was having a little bit of difficulty, so I had to switch to this other one, and I had a little bit better luck. Allow the other side to cook, and then you can set it aside. And the vegan egg meals are done. Would you look at that? It looks delicious already. I cannot wait to try it. All right, and now for the best part, let's taste it. So I have the one without the black salt. The texture, I must say, looks just like an egg. Look at that. It looks good. I did scrambled eggs with cheese. This one has the black salt. And then of course I did avocado toast with the vegan egg. Because you know everybody really likes the avocado toast with the egg on top. So I'm gonna try it out. So I'm gonna start with the one without black salt at its natural state, with just salt and pepper. So I'll let you know what I think. Oh wow, not bad. At its common state. I mean, it doesn't like nails like eggs, but the texture definitely tastes like an egg texture. Like, it doesn't remind you of the taste of an egg, but the texture definitely nailed the texture. Not bad. It's good, but it's not an egg. But texture, they got it. For taste, I'd probably give it maybe like a 7 out of 10. Yeah, it's not that bad. Alright, let me show that aside. So the scrambled eggs with cheese has the black salt. So let's see. With the vegan cheese. The Simple Truth. So let's see. Yeah, it tastes more like an egg. Yeah, texture has a little more eggy taste from the black salt. Not bad. For someone who loves eggs and is now vegan, doesn't eat eggs, this is a great substitute. Really good. I'm very shocked. Not bad. I would give this maybe an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Alright. And now for the avocado toast. Let's see. This one has the black salt. Nothing really added to it because, you know, I just put it on top. The avocado has, of course, lime and salt. And this is Ezekiel bread. It's actually really good. The vegan egg is really good on the avocado toast. Very, very good. That's delicious. Oh yeah. I eat avocado toast for breakfast. So this vegan egg on top might just be my new breakfast. I would give this a 9 out of 10. This I like better than the scrambled eggs with cheese, and then of course at its natural state. But yeah, just egg. You guys did a very good job. The texture, the taste with the black salt added, it does taste very similar to an egg. Still doesn't like dead on nail it, but definitely gives you the idea of an egg. Definitely. Very good. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. Be you. Think naturally. Please try Just Egg and let me know if you think it tastes like an egg. Thank you guys again. Bye.